Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show and tell you how to change the keyboard on iPhone. Namely, add any photo to the background of your keyboard. Change the color of the letters, and so on. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch this video to the end. Give it a like. Let's get started. To do this, you'll need to go to the Apple Store on your iPhone or iPad. Then in the search box, you need to write the word board and download this keyboard that comes from Google. It's only about 80 MB in size. You install it for free. And after that, we can set any color of the keyboard, change it, add some pictures, add some themes, and so on. So let's download it now, and we'll continue. Once we have all the keyboard installed, click Open. Then click Get Started. This is where we open up our keyboard. We click on Themes, and here we can choose any of the themes, or we can add our own picture. Let me show you an example. I click Add. I choose a theme. Let's say this one. Here I click here on this pencil. Look, we have to switch. We're going to switch to board. Before we switch, we need to go to the settings. If this function is not enabled, we need to activate it. Open the General tab, then Keyboard. Keyboard again. And where you'll see Board. You need to activate this setting. You've activated it. Exit. Now click on Themes again. Here's your theme. And you can customize here. You can make it brighter. You can choose the color of the keyboard, the color of the text, and so on. Keyboard, text colors, and so on. And if you like it, you click Done. And let's say we go to the browser. And let's say you go to the browser, and when we click on it, we have this wonderful keyboard. We can also add a picture of ourselves. Click on the plus sign. Choose any picture. Let's say this one. I press Choose. And that's the picture that comes up. And now when we go to the keyboard, it changes to this. Now we are typing, and we have a keyboard with this beautiful background. If you liked this video and helped, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Put likes. Thank you all for watching. Goodbye.